That was not a smart choice. It's super, super hot. What was I thinking? We'll get there when we get there. Well, the worst thing ever happened to me. What I should be doing? Did you document it? Do you have any pictures or whatever? So far away from all this that happened. I'm just so mad right now. Hello and welcome to the channel from another very hot northeastern day. Wow, it's loud and it's super, super hot. I had to turn off the AC so I can actually talk to you and you can actually hear me without any interference of the AC being so loud in the background. Therefore, I had to lower the window. I guess that was not a smart choice. But anyways, I'm on my way to give my rig a power wash cleaning. Very busy, very packed road today as it's Friday, 3:45 p.m. What was I thinking? Everybody's on their way to the shore. I also need to buy some gas. Anyways, we'll get there when we get there, so good to see you. Ticket to get inside to the washers. I'm not sure if I'm going to wash this or they're gonna be washing this for me. Well, I'm not that kind of a truck, but this is a place where it fits this high, 11 feet high camper van, and she needs to be washed, really. Okay, so this is not the place. Apparently, it's called Blue Beacon, a teal kind of a building that is down the road in the parking lot. And that's where I need to be going. I hope I can get out of here. I'm U-hauled on both sides. It's gonna be tough. Your backup camera, so far nothing. That's a good thing. As I'm pulling out of here, she said it's a teal building up the road and it's called Blue Beacon. All right, so that's the building in the back. I don't know if you guys saw it. And 24 hours truck wash, Blue Beacon. So many trucks. Oh, there it is. And I talked to her on the phone earlier and she said it's first come, first served. I hope there's not a long line of trucks. Looks like there is. Well, you know what? They're 18-wheeler. Oh, Lord. There's so many. How do I even get into the line? Look at that. They're all waiting to be washed. Unfreaking believable. I'm not gonna get out of here probably maybe 2 hours. I don't know. Well, let's get into the line because there's more coming. Let's turn around and put this Viva into the line. There you go. I guess I have nothing to do, just sit here, chill, relax. Oh, we're moving. Nope, we're not. 5 inches, that's how much he moved. We'll just sit here, chill, relax until it's our turn to get washed. I'll document everything and let me know in the comments below if you ever had your rig washed in a truck washing center or Blue Beacon for that matter. I've never tried them. I found it online, called them. They said it's 24 hours. I came here, so let's see how it goes. Oh great, now it started to rain. I think I'm like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'm 5th in line. while waiting, I should give you some updates on what's going on with my injury and my treatment. You know, if you're new here, I'm a flight attendant with a global airline, and I use my Itasca Viva 23L Class B Plus Motorhome as my crash pad in between my flights. Or I should say I used to, because ever since February the 9th, since my injury over a turbulence on board of one of my flights, I got grounded, and it has been a very difficult and long recovery. The Thursday before Memorial Day, at my physical therapy, in one of my sessions, we unfortunately faced a setback as we were simulating all the things that I need to do in the cabin on a regular day, during a flight, during a boarding, including lifting carry-on bags into the overhead compartments, and simulating the weights, all the movements that I regularly would face in a day-to-day flight attendant life. And one of those moves, unfortunately, did harm rather than good, and send us back to square number one. And ever since, we've been slowly recovering to come to where I was before that setback. Today is the 14th, June 14th, and I have my next appointment with my specialist on Monday the 17th. Actually off from work based on my doctor's instructions until July the 19th. So long story short, this is why I haven't been able to film and post anything on my channel, and I apologize for that. I'm trying to squeeze videos here and there. I would love to have your support. Stay with me. I didn't forget about you. I didn't forget about me having to post videos. I'm injured, causing me a lot of pain. So, and thank you for everybody that has been reaching out with good wishes. I really appreciate it. Also, if you don't mind, just giving this video a like is actually an excellent way of supporting me and my channel. So I would really appreciate if you could just simply click that like button. The rest is up to YouTube. But it's a very simple and no cost to you kind of way of supporting my channel, and I would really, really appreciate it. We're moving up ahead. It's raining. I don't know who would have their cars or trucks or RVs clean on a rainy day, but this is it. You know, I'm here. I drove almost like 40 miles to get here, and I'm not going back without having this power washed. Also, it's an excellent time to make sure that all my windows and outlets are closed, so that no water can penetrate. There we go. That one is closed. Looks good. Pretty sure you can't hear it right now, but it definitely started, and it's just, you know, making, ouch, my back. It makes you want to, you know, cuddle up and just go to bed and sleep or take a nap or anything like that. I just love the sound of the rain. Well, the worst thing ever happened to me. I was just sitting here in line, and the truck in front of me, for some reason, suddenly rolled back and hit me, literally climbed on top of me. See this? And I challenged him, and he refused to give me his insurance company, and he said, well, you bumped into me, you hit me. I'm like, what the f are you talking about? This is the truck that climbed on top of me and came all the way back, and now he's refusing to take responsibility and just left me with this damage. But I figured out to find his insurance company, and I guess I'll just have to start a claim. It was such a good day, turned a nasty day, the weather and everything, and that's where he is. If you guys know or should guide me on how I could file a claim with it, knowing that he refused to give me his policy number, But I managed to talk to his boss, and the boss was also siding with his driver, and he's claiming that I actually bumped into him, which is ridiculous. And so if you could just, like, any legally enhanced viewers out there, if you could just let me know in the comments what I should be doing. I contacted their insurance company, which is a DB insurance, and the lady on the phone said, well, we can't just take a claim just like that. She gave me an email address and she said, did you document it? Do you have any pictures or whatever? And I said, yeah, I do have everything. So basically I just have to go ahead and submit those to her. And I don't know, I'm gonna also try to contact my insurance company, so maybe they will assist me to start the claim and fight it legally if I have to. Because he was like, you hit me, and I'm like, I'm just sitting here completely in a parked position with the engine off, sitting here waiting in line, and your big 18-wheeler just rolled back and climbed on top of my bumper. Literally, that's what happened. It just like rolled back. How can that even possibly happen? And I went all the way up to him, and he's up there at the top of his, you know, cockpit, so far away from all this that happened. He didn't even know. He didn't even know that he climbed on top of me. And when I knocked on his door, he's like, what? And I caught him talking on the phone. So probably, you know, he's distracted. And he claims like, well, I was on a break. And I'm like, well, what kind of a brakes let your 18-wheeler roll back and climb on top of mine? Like, it's ridiculous. It's just so ridiculous. So wish me luck. Hopefully better news a little bit later. Than I'm just so mad right now. I just hung up with my insurance company, and I asked for their advice and maybe assistance in dealing with this claim. And she was like, well, the adjuster will decide how to do it. I'm like, well, I don't want you to file a claim, because if you do, then it would affect my insurance cost, you know, even though I'm not in fault and I have the information for their insurance, for the other, actually the truck that is in fault. And she's like, well, it's too late, I started it already. I'm like, well, then don't. Well, I didn't tell you, I asked you, and you started to do it on your own. So long story short, let's see how it goes. I really need your help, guys. Just please write in the comments how I should proceed with this and what my next move should be. She said that she's not gonna put any information in the claim, and she will have the adjuster call me, and only then the adjuster will decide how to proceed, whether if to erase the claim or I don't know. I'm not legal, so please let me know in the comments what to do next. On the other hand, I'm next in line here at Blue Beacon. You can't even see it because it's raining hard. Yep, Blue Beacon. This damaged thing literally like shook me up, and I've just lost all my grounds. Not only that I have a problem with my back that I'm dealing with, now this is just one thing after another. When will it end? Seriously. I'm sorry guys, I didn't want this video to be in such a negative tone, but it is what it is. This is what just happened, and you witnessed it with me. Let's get this wash taken care of and get out of here. Let's see how this goes. Never done this before. They're starting to spray the RV, and didn't even ask me if I want a special treatment or a special level or tier of cleaning, which I do. Well, we'll see how it goes. just told him that I want to have a really good job on the rims, on the wheels. So he said that he will take care of me. I don't know how that works. I'm excited. If this works, this is the only way I'm gonna do it from now on. It's so much more difficult to do it yourself manually, go out and climb up and all that stuff. Here, there's like 4 of them, you know, power washing, spraying, mopping. Like, it's really, I think they're doing a great job. It's like $45 or so, and we'll see how it goes. They asked me to move up, and that's what I'm doing. Okay. Alright, I guess this is where I pay. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Like, do you want rain necks or anything?
A what?
Rain necks?
Sure, why not?
It's raining. You can insert a tap.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Can I go inside? That's it, Rain-X, complete RV bus, whatever. So supposedly it deters the rain like Teflon for a couple of weeks, maybe months, I don't know. So it's gonna be nice. It's pouring. I can't even get off the vehicle to show you the finished product, because if I do, I am going to be drenched. So hopefully by the time I get to my parking spot, the rain will stop, then I can actually show you. Okay. I just wanted to quickly show you how it's so much rain, and I just pulled up into that gas station. You can still see the soap, but everything is shiny and beautiful. I love it. I can't even go onto the other side without getting rain on me. Oh yeah, she is clean. Look at that. Beautiful job. Highly recommend. That means it worked. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe and like. And I'll see you on the next one.